Hello. You're welcome to my channel once again. I am Tonya. You're welcome to Ami Tonya's channel. I want to thank you all for being here. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you all. So, on today's video, we are going to be making some tropical fruit juice. We all know that the importance and benefits of fruits to our body cannot be emphasized enough. Yes, we know that it's very important for us to take daily fruits. So, like we know, fruits are source of dietary fibers and vitamins. The nutrients in fruits are vital for health and body maintenance. Vitamin C, like we know, it is important. It's very important for our growth and repair of our body issues. So, it is very important for us to take our fruits. The importance of fruits and benefits to our bodies cannot really be emphasized enough. So I am here preparing these tropical fruits. For this time that we know that one of the easiest way again we can avoid this disaster is for us to take care of our body, take care of our health, inward and outwards. So just watch me as I do these fruits, and I bet you are going to love it. And I applaud you to try it on your own, and you will love it. It is packed with nutrients, a lot that our body needs.